Hi everyone. This is a very quick video. I just want to share a exciting news, and that is our theme compatibility feature is now in beta. I want to give you the access of the beta so you guys can test it, give us feedback, and if everything is ready to go, we are scheduled to release it next week, so early next week, to be exact. And so I will share the link how you can install this plugin. So I created a new plugin that is Fluent Toolkit. So in this toolkit you can install it, and once you install that, then you will get something like this. So this toolkit is actually, it will be available for every plugin. So with this plugin we will keep the beta releases, so you can just download it and test the beta, or even manage our plugin. Maybe in the future we will add more features as the toolkit. So let's check that. So we have already installed the Fluent Community and Fluent Community Pro. If you don't have installed in your system, no worries, you can still install the beta. So I have this, the old version, the current version, and this is something like this. If I go to the normal about page, it's just showing it. I have default theme installed, but let's install the beta. So when we will have beta, then you will see this button that is install beta and the beta version. So let's install a beta for the Fluent Community, the core. Okay, so the Fluent Community, the core version beta is done, installed, and you can see that the installed version is 1.3.4 beta 1. And let's install the Pro version as well, Pro version, beta of the Pro version. And once it's done, you can see that install beta. So we have this beta version. So when you install this toolkit, and then you can also install it. The Pro version requires the license. So if you already have the license activated, you can see that license key, or you can just change that. Or if you don't have it installed, it will just ask for the license key. So we have that Fluent messaging as well, the beta. So you can also install that. So let's see how, what's the new features of the theme compatibility. The first thing is, you will notice if you go to a regular pages, uh, then let's say we have this page as a support portal with Fluent support. So this is a regular page with Fluent support. So one thing is actually, there is two type of compatibility actually. So WordPress is now actually getting a bit different, depends on what type of theme you are using. So one thing is like block theme. So this is my block theme. So if I go to the like themes, go to the themes, and you see I have installed the 2024, which is a block based theme. So for block based theme, we have given a base template, and that is, so if you go to the, so let's say use the default theme, and we want to go see that. So this will be something like that. I think we should also show this for, so this is my customer portal, so I'm a user here, so I can see that. Our idea is actually, let's say we want to show that in our portal. So portal somewhere like this. So to do that, what you have to do actually, go to the pages, change template, and then you will get this new template injected, and that's the Fluent Community page template. So you can just click that, and it will be and reload it. And let's say go to that support portal from the customer side. Voila. So the whole Fluent support, it's embedded into the community. So that's how easy this is. You can also do that any type of pages actually. Even so something like, let's say I want to do something like this, uh, maybe like my account page of WooCommerce. So I have this. So set and go to the page, and change template. I think I already have the template. So just default, if I go to the default, then I can see that my account page like this. And now let's change that to our template. So that template is here, the Fluent Community Page template. And if I click that and now go to the page, then I can see that it's embedded right into on my Fluent Community. So, but it's not the last. If you use a blog based theme, you can do lots of things. So something like, let's say, you can create a different page template. So something like, let's say, create a template, and let's add a template here. So this is the our default template, but let's say we want to add a template. So something like the, let's say custom template. So my custom template. And once you do that, then let's say we don't need any of those things, we can add a Fluent Community page layout. So when you have the Fluent Community page layout, so this is the title, this is the default. But what you can do, you can like make it like full wide, so it will take all the available space. And then you can also do something like the disable, dark mode. If you if your theme does not support it, you can disable that. Or you can add more dynamic content here, or you don't want the title or anything, so something like that. So let's say we don't need the title, we just need the content, and save it. And now if we, so we have this template, so something like that, say my custom template. Let's search that, my custom template. Yeah, this is my custom template. And now if I go to a different page, so something like, say, pages, let's create a page and say new page, and click on the template. Let's just publish it first. And then if you go to the pages, change template, then we can see that so we have this my custom template, and also we have this the default one. So if I do that, my custom template, and hello there, even you can do something like these show template, you can see what you are writing and everything. But I'll just I like that distraction free mode. Hello there, I, let's say something like, say, an image or something, heading, and save it and view the space. We can see that here, and you can actually like style the how it will look like in that template. You can totally do that. So something like, let's say we want make it a bit congested or something, it is edit template. And then we can do that. And let's say we want the white, so something like, say, 700 pixel, save it. And we can go there, we can see that here we can add some spacing, say, into like a Fluent form. I don't think I have installed the Fluent form, but you can do that too. So yeah, you can add any type of short code, any products or anything, you can do that. So yeah, so if I go to here, I can see the spacing and also see, and this will also work on most of the themes. It will work on the dark mode as well. So that's how you can do that, do everything in your blog based theme. But let's say you don't use a blog based theme, so how it will work? So this is still early stage. So but let's say we want to add something like, no, this is the community, we'll go to that, let's say themes. Let's say we will activate bloxy, it's a very popular theme, so we don't need the other thing. And if you go to the pages now, if you go to the, like, say, customer portal, it is loading in their page template. Okay, so how we'll change that? So let's say customer portal, and then you can see that template, it's a default template. And we will just select that Fluent Community frame. So when you add the Fluent Community frame and save it, and then it will show as the community frame. But we try to support most of the themes, popular themes. So you can do something like this here. So you can do something like, let's say, like narrow white. Okay, And if I go to the here now, say it's the narrow white. Let's say I don't want the disable header, not disable header, page title. I want to disable that. And now the page upload, it's disabled now. So yeah, so that's how it will work for classic theme. So in your classic theme, basically you have to just select the template frame, and it will work. So that's how easy it is. So you can render any type of content from your page, even if you have a builder like Elementor or something. If you select that page template, then it will load everything there. So that's like a new feature. This is cool. And another feature that I want to talk about, that's like say course. So let's add a course, new course. And also this is for the spaces, new course. And let's say this course is private. And let's say when someone come here, I want to redirect the user to a page. So that can be a your sales page with another site or something, or the same site but you want to show a product or something. Okay, so you can give that here. I can give like the product discussions, self-listed, and let's make it just a published. And now this is the page. If I go to the view course, and if that course is like a public user or a student, then they will redirect to this page. Okay, so the page you actually like discover added. But let's make it like within a frame, so like my account. And I will make it within the frame, Fluent community frame. Now if I go to here, I can see that here everything is perfect. And let's go to the courses. Someone go to the course, and let's say people, if people could click on the new course, and then they will be redirect to the page you selected. And that will work for both your private spaces and as well as courses. So these are the two main features that we have added. We added also lots of small things here and there. I'm not going there. So this beta testing is actually for our new feature, the theme compatibility. We were working so hard for many months, and this is the solution that we could find that will work. In the future we'll definitely add more features on the theme compatibility and make it truly your go-to community, and empower all the small businesses, agencies, and users like you. Okay, so see you in this post. Give me the feedback about this, what improvement you need, and everything. uh, yeah, and I'll see you. And we are going to release this next week. So test it, or give us feedback. We work on it, and then we ship it, like as always. Yeah, see ya.